Hi learners, today we are going to discuss about dienone phenol rearrangement. In this rearrangement, dienone is our substrate. In the presence of acidic medium, we get product phenol. अब dienone होता क्या है? Diene means two double bond and on means there is a carbonyl group. In the presence of H positive, we get phenol. अब इसका मैकेनिज्म डिस्कस करते हैं. वी हैव double bond O R R in the presence of H positive. Oxygen have lone pair of electron. So firstly it is protonated and we get double bond R R and there is double bond OH and there is positive. Now just try to neutralize this positive charge. So there is a conjugation and bond moves like this and we get one bond here, one bond here. We are left with their positive charge R and there is OH. Now this is a secondary carbocation. This carbocation is changes to tertiary carbocation by 1,2 alkyl shift. One to alkyl shift. So we get R here, one R here, and there is a positive charge. One double bond here, one here and OH. Now this is a tertiary carbocation and tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Now there is also one H. Now just try to aromatize this ring. अगर कभी भी रिंग अपने आप को एरोमेटाइज कर सकती है तो वो अपने आप को एरोमेटाइज करेगी और रिंग का एरोमेटिक होना ही यहाँ पर उसका ड्राइविंग फोर्स है. यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ पर हमारे पास रिंग एरोमेटिक नहीं थी बट आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास रिंग एरोमेटाइज हो गई है. एंड सॉरी, देयर इज वन आर एंड देयर इज वन आर. हमारे पास रिंग एरोमेटाइज हो गई है तो रिंग का एरोमेटाइज होना ही इस रिएक्शन का ड्राइविंग फोर्स है. एरोमेटाइजेशन एंड वी गेट फॉर एरोमेटाइजेशन यहां से माइनस H पॉजिटिव निकलेगा. बॉन्ड मूव्स लाइक दिस एंड व्हाट वी गेट one bond here, one here and this bond shift to this OH, one R here and one R is here. This is our final product, right? So moving to the next example. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास डबल बॉन्ड O. देयर इज वन डबल बॉन्ड, वन बॉन्ड हेयर, OH CH3 in the presence of H positive. So firstly, oxygen have lone pair of electron. So it is protonated and we get double bond OH positive, OH and CH3. Now neutralize this positive charge. So movement of bond is like this. It undergo conjugation and we get one bond here, one here, OH. There is a positive charge, OH, CH3. Now, there is two possibilities. ये वाला ग्रुप माइग्रेट होगा या फिर ये वाला. So, we discuss each one by one. If OH group will migrate, अगर माइग्रेशन OH की हुई तब क्या होगा, और अगर CH3 नेगेटिव ग्रुप जाकर माइग्रेट हुआ तब क्या होगा. So, if OH negative group is migrate, then we are left with CH3, यहाँ पर OH, and OH group will migrate, so there is positive charge and there is OH. And if CH3 group will migrate, we are left with OH, double bond, migrate the group CH3 and there is OH and there is positive charge. Now just look at this both. Here the positive charge is stabilized by plus H effect, or you can say also plus I effect, hyperconjugation and inductive effect. But this positive charge is stabilized by plus M effect, mesomeric effect, like this. This positive charge is stabilized by 3 alpha hydrogens, hyperconjugation effect. So, according to stability of carbocation, plus M effect is more dominant than plus H and then plus I. This is the order of stability of carbocation. So this carbocation is more stable. So we migrate CH3. So हमारे पास इसकी माइग्रेशन नहीं होगी. Right? And after this, there is also 1H, aromatization of ring. What you do? Minus H positive and we get one bond here, one here. There is a bond OH and then CH3 and then there is OH. This is our final product. Right? Moving to next example. Next example important है. If we have substrate double bond O, then there is one 6-member ring. On junction there is ethyl group. In the presence of aqueous HCl, what you get? And in H2SO4, in the presence of acetic anhydride. AC2O is acetic anhydride. So, in the presence of aqueous HCl, you get meta substituted product. But in the presence of acetic anhydride, this is a non-aqueous solvent. So in the presence of non-aqueous solvent, you will get para substituted product. This example is important. So डिस्कस करते हैं वन बाय वन कि ऐसा हुआ क्यों है. सो फर्स्टली वी डिस्कस इन एक्वस सॉल्वेंट. वी हैव double bond O. There is 1 6-member ring. There is ethyl group in the presence of aqueous HCl. Means in aqueous solvent, firstly oxygen have lone pair of electrons, so it is protonated and we get double bond OH positive. Now just neutralize this positive charge. Movement of bond is like this. Undergo conjugation and we get one bond here, one here, OH. There is a positive charge. There is ethyl group. Remember that जब कभी भी एक्वस सॉल्वेंट होगा तब हम इस बॉन्ड को शिफ्ट करवाएंगे. हम इस बॉन्ड को भी शिफ्ट करवा सकते थे लाइक दिस, बट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्वस HCl हमने जंक्शन पर जो ग्रुप है उसको माइग्रेट करना होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी शिफ्ट दिस बॉन्ड. ओके, so here you shift this ethyl group and what you get, or you can say पॉजिटिव के साथ वाली कार्बन अल्फा, अल्फा के साथ वाली कार्बन बीटा. जस्ट ब्रेक द बॉन्ड बिटवीन अल्फा एंड बीटा, mark alpha as a positive, beta as negative and join this. What you get? Group at the junction will migrate to this and we are left with, there is a positive charge, there is one H also, right? After that there is aromatization and minus H positive, so the bond move like this and you get there is OH, ethyl, one bond. This is your final product. Now this is ortho and this is meta. So in aqueous HCl, in aqueous solvent, you will get meta substituted product. Remember that यहाँ पर जो ग्रुप जंक्शन पर है वो माइग्रेट करता है, सो दैट्स वाई हम इस बॉन्ड को शिफ्ट करते हैं, राइट? अब इन नॉन एक्वस सॉल्वेंट क्या हुआ होगा, लेट्स सी. इन नॉन एक्वस सॉल्वेंट वी हैव डबल बॉन्ड O, substrate is same, but in the presence of acetic anhydride what happened? There is H positive. Oxygen have lone pair of electron. So first step is same, protonated. OH, there is a positive charge, double bond, ethyl. Now, in aqueous solvent, this bond will shift and we get meta-substituted product. But in non-aqueous solvent, we get para-substituted product by shifting these bonds. And what we get? OH, one bond here, this bond moves here, there is positive charge, remaining part will same. Now this positive charge, पॉजिटिव के साथ वाली कार्बन अल्फा, अब क्या होगा, हमारे पास रिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होगी. नेक्स्ट स्टेप है रिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. पॉजिटिव के साथ वाली कार्बन अल्फा, अल्फा के साथ वाली कार्बन बीटा, जस्ट ब्रेक द बॉन्ड बिटवीन अल्फा एंड बीटा, मार्क अल्फा एज पॉजिटिव, बीटा एज नेगेटिव एंड जस्ट ज्वाइन दिस 1 2 3 4 5. You get 5-membered ring. So there is ring contraction. Ring contraction. What you get? Double bond. There is also one double bond. OH. 5-membered ring. 1 2 3 4 5, and here on this carbon one ethyl group and you are left with one positive charge. Ring contraction. Now next step है resonance. This bond shift this and this bond shift like this. So after resonance, what you get? One bond shifts here, one here. There is one ethyl group. On this carbon, you will have a 5-membered ring, and there is OH group and one positive charge. Right? After resonance, अब क्या होगा? Next step है ring. Ring expansion. अब ring expand होगी. कैसे? Just look at this. पॉजिटिव के साथ वाली कार्बन अल्फा, अल्फा के साथ वाली कार्बन बीटा, ब्रेक द बॉन्ड बिटवीन अल्फा एंड बीटा, मार्क अल्फा एज अ पॉजिटिव, बीटा एज नेगेटिव, जस्ट ज्वाइन दिस. What you get? A 6-membered ring. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Right? You can also numbering this 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. What you get? Double bond here, one bond here. There is ethyl and a 6-membered ring. 1 2 like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. On the second carbon here, there is a positive charge. There is OH group. right? Now after that, aromatization. For aromatization minus H positive, H यहाँ पर है एक, so this bond shift like this, and what we get? We are left with one bond here, one here, one here. There is ethyl group, there is OH, and this is para substituted product. Para substituted product. This is ortho, this is meta, and this is para. Hope you understand this. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास. गाइस ये एग्जाम्पल्स इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, ध्यान रखना एक्वस सॉल्वेंट का और नॉन एक्वस सॉल्वेंट का. इन एक्वस सॉल्वेंट यू गेट मेटा सब्सटीट्यूटेड प्रोडक्ट, एंड इन नॉन एक्वस सॉल्वेंट यू गेट पैरा सब्सटीट्यूटेड प्रोडक्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. ये क्वेश्चन पूछा भी गया है नेट में. Double bond O, then you have CH3, there is COOET in the presence of H positive. So firstly, oxygen have lone pair of electrons. So first this group is protonated, and we are left with double bond OH positive. There is CH3 and then COOET. Try to neutralize this positive charge. So the bond moves like this and undergo conjugation. We are left with one bond here, one here, there is OH, their positive charge, then CH3, and there is COOET. Now again, this is electronic donating group. So migratory aptitude of CH3 is more than that of COOET because this is electron withdrawing group. माइग्रेट तो वही ग्रुप करता है ना जो जल्दी से जाकर अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दे देगा इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज को, राइट. सो क्या प्रोडक्ट बनेगा हमारे पास इफ CH3 इज माइग्रेट. अगर आपने CH3 ग्रुप को माइग्रेट करवाया है, बिकॉज हमें लग रहा है कि ऐसा होगा, because CH3 is electron withdrawing group, then and COET is electron withdrawing group. OH, there is one double bond here, then there is CH3 group migrate, there is one positive charge, and there is C double bond OOET. Right? Now, if you migrate CH3 group, then this is unstable. Why so? Because carbonyl group is also withdrawing group, so there is a negative and there is positive. There is a positive. Similar charge repel each other. So this is unstable because of positive charge repulsion. Similar charge repel each other. So this is unstable, right? So if we migrate COET, what happen? then we get one bond here, one here, CH3 here, there is a positive charge, and migration of COET group there is OH. Now this positive charge is stabilized by plus H effect, or you can say plus I effect. There is a 3 alpha hydrogens. So this carbocation is more stable and this is unstable. So migration of COET is favorable and CH3 की migration नहीं होगी, right? After that there is aromatization. So minus H positive, there is one H, and bond shift like this. What you get? Your final product is one bond here, one here, OH, CH3, and there is COOET. Right? This question is also very important.